back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I posted, and right now I'm not on any social media platform right now except for YouTube. So my next video was supposed to be the introductory video, but I'm still waiting for some stuff to come in so I can properly do that for you guys and everything. So a couple of days ago I actually went hiking and everything and stuff, not somewhat hiking or whatever. So I'm just gonna roll the clips for you guys to enjoy my short adventure into went to a park and everything with a friend and stuff like that. And then whenever we get back to me, I will talk to you guys about the other stuff that I'm going to have for you. Alright, let's get it. Traveling for a while, and my friend had mentioned a barn, and you know, city boy, so I'm thinking like a red barn and stuff. But you know, I've watched a lot of horror movies and everything, and I didn't think to expect anything like this. Now I'm recording this for evidence purposes, just in case my body goes missing. You know where to find me. I'm in Clarksville, Tennessee, Rotary Park. Okay. Huh? I'm not being dramatic, I'm being safe. I'm being smart. Make sure that you don't see nothing back there, right? Just in case. How they do in the movie. Next clip gonna be this. I'm not being dramatic, but this don't look safe. Yeah. And clearly somebody was out here chopping wood to cook somebody's body. Dear Lord, what the heck was going on in here? That is not stable at all. We need to call the home inspectors. Clearly, what is? I promise if something jumped down, on my mom. On my mom. I'm gonna be an Olympian today. Lord, I don't want to look all the way up there. What if there's a scarecrow or a hanging body? I can't see what my camera sees because I'm not looking. Bro, I promise. What if there's a... Why you gonna back up like that? See that? I don't. Right. No, so you can get a head start. All right. Let me. Okay. All right. I promise. One quick break. I'm dipping. Okay, that was just a bird. People come here all the time, right? People come here all the time, right? Alright. She broke me on the camera, guys. It's just a freaking trail. I have not seen one black person out here today. We're going to the back. They said if you don't never see nothing in the front, you see something in the back. Because I'm black. Oh, God. Would you see that? Okay. Alright, I made it. She's taking her photography photos and stuff. We're still alive. And I think I'm good. I think I've made it out. Yeah, so welcome back. Hopefully you enjoyed. It was just a bunch of random clips of just me going out and just capturing, you know, like the scenery and stuff like that with just some unsuspected things that, you know, I've ran into and stuff like that. But yeah, there will be a little bit more of that and stuff like that. So, but like I said before, I will be working on a proper introductory of who I am and the things that I want to produce on this YouTube channel. Hopefully I'll be able to help you guys with art and everything and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully there'll be more of this, maybe this type of videos and stuff like that in the future to come. I just have to get better with b-rolling and just different sceneries and just plan things out a whole lot better. So definitely join me on the next one. Please like and subscribe. That's that. All right, peace.